I won over my mother-in-law with these rolls. Cut the chicken breast into medium thickness slices. Place the slices on the cutting board. Pound with a meat mallet. Season the chicken fillet with salt. Then with black pepper. Turn the slices over to the other side. Season the same way with salt and black pepper. Place the slices on a platter. Grate the mozzarella on the large grater and put it in a bowl. Add 1 carrot grated on the large grater. A few sprigs of parsley, finely chopped. Pour in yogurt and mix all the ingredients well. Place 1 spoonful of filling on each chicken breast slice. Spread into an even layer. Roll up the fillet with the filling. Place the rolls in the tray greased with vegetable oil and bake for 40 minutes. Sprinkle the rolls with grated mozzarella and bake for another 15 minutes. Tear a few lettuce leaves into the bowl. Add a few cherry tomatoes cut in halves. Cut 1 cucumber into thin slices and put it in the bowl. Add red onion. Squeeze lemon juice. Season with salt and vegetable oil. Mix the salad. The chicken breast rolls look so good that they can even be served at festive meals. I like to serve them with a fresh vegetable salad or a delicious sauce.